Alright guys, next day. So we ordered cam bearings this morning. They'll be here Thursday sometime. But let me show you what we've gotten up to so far. It ain't a whole lot, but we're about ready to put the crank in. So put our new bearings in. And the rear main seal with a little extra RTV because they leak all the time. And now we're going to set the crank in and put our bearings in our main caps and torque them down to 80 foot-pound. Doing in a, what was it? Sorry. We're going to do 3 intervals of 40, 70, and then 80 foot-pound being our final torque. Starting on number 3, the number 3 or your thrust bearing, and working out. Go to the left, go to the right, so on and so forth. All the way across doing 40, come back, start at the same point, do 70, come back, 80 for your final torque, and we'll show you what that looks like when we get done. Okay guys, I don't know how well you're going to be able to hear me with all this rain, because, you know, why not rain? But show you what we got so far. We got all of our caps on. We did our 3 sequences. Started on number 4, went to 3, then to 5, then to 2, then to 6, then to 1, then to 7. Right now we're getting ready to start. I think we're going to mess around and take off the gear here for the timing chain, just because we can. And we don't do anything in any particular order necessarily. We'll pull the crank bolt out, we'll put a gear puller on it, tighten it down, she'll slide off, and we'll put the new one on. So that is what we're up to. I know it's not a lot of showing a whole lot, but trying to record in a metal building. As you can see, we don't have no insulation in here, so it's really loud.
So send money.
Yeah, send money now, please. No. But you know, it's better than working out in the rain. So we're gonna keep moving along, and we'll update you again here in a minute when we get something else started and going. Alright guys, all we got to do now is put them in, put the bearings in the caps, put some assembly lube on them, torque them to 33 foot-pounds, and the piston to be done. But let me get set up and we'll show you how to put a piston in. Alright. Get it all nice and oily.
Ready?
Yep. Remember guys, your arrows go towards the front of the motor.
Yep.
Yeah, come on, man. You're the next contestant on. You got it right. What?
Just remember, guys, go slow. Don't break a ring.
Yep.
That's a bad day.
We've already had those bad days.
Yeah. Cam bearings. Since you already got it up, you want to flip that over the correct way.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Well, I had Harbor Freight money to do this, not Snap-on money. I mean, any of them want to give me, you know, a sponsorship or something, that'd be cool. But until then, I'm using my money, and, well, Harbor Freight's what I can afford.
Yes. Yes, you did.
And there she goes. Alright, now I'll show you down here. Now we'll guide it in, since we forgot to put the gas hose on the, or gas line on the.
Forget. I'm better than that.
Well, typically you put gas line or something on your stud so you don't accidentally score your journal.
That's correct.
But we didn't do that, so I'm gonna put the camera down and I'm gonna guide it while he taps it. But that's how you put one in. We'll get them all started in, and the cap's on hand tight, and we'll flip it over and show you how to torque them. All right. All right, guys, so we got the pistons in, the connecting rods are connected. And now we're gonna torque them down to 33 foot-pound. And here we go. We're starting with number 4. Alright, boys and girls, pistons are in and torqued, so now I don't know what we're doing next.
Oil pump.
Oh, oil pump. So let me go dig that out of my parts and we'll get that put on. Okay, guys, we're going to do the Earl pump. So I'm going to put us a bead of silicone on the block. Like so. Smear it out with our grubby, dirty fingers. Orientate our gasket. Thin coat on it. Alright. Grab the Earl pump. Whoa. Where are you going? Get back here. And then pretty well done. Still got to put the pickup tube on it. I got it over there. I'll do that here in a minute. But nothing to it, man. Alright, so let me get that put on and whatnot, and we'll figure out what we're going to do next. Okay guys, so it's time to put the I just drew a blank. The backbone, the main bearing cap, support, whatever you want to call it. The actual name eludes me at the moment. However, it's time to put it on now. We'll put all the nuts on, run them down, whatever. Torque specs 35 foot-pound. So let's do that. You know, I hope you guys are really enjoying this. I'm having a lot of fun doing a video like this. This is more what I like to do. Give out information, teach, whatever you want to call it. Oh, that's tight. Yeah. Hope I am seriously enjoying the process. I've been wanting to get back to doing stuff like this for a long while. Now I'm finally getting to. Grab my torque wrench. And just like everything else, I'm going to start in the middle. And I'm going to work my way out. Once I get all these tightened down, I'll go back to the middle, excuse me, and just double check them all. Make sure nothing come loose while I was tightening. I probably don't need to do it, but you know, something like this, it's better to be safe than sorry. Alright, there you have it. One more thing done. Getting closer and closer. Alright, let's figure out what we're doing next.